Most SaaS companies still run GRC out of spreadsheets.
Here's what GRC automation actually is, what the tools cost in 2026, and what to look for before you buy. Governance, risk, and compliance was manageable in spreadsheets when audits came once a year. Now customers, auditors, and regulators want proof on demand. And in Sprinto's Pulse of Cyber GRC study, 72% of GRC professionals say their risk management hasn't kept pace. So, what is GRC automation? Software that replaces the manual grunt work with automated workflows. A GRC automation platform plugs into your stack, AWS, GitHub, Okta, your HRMS, then monitors controls, collects evidence, and flags risk continuously. Not once a quarter, all the time. How to automate GRC? 4 moves. 1. Set objectives. Know what you're automating and why. 2. Map your risks and controls. 3. Shortlist GRC automation tools and test them against your real stack. 4. Roll out in phases, with training. No big bang switch. Do it right, and the benefits of GRC automation stack up. Hundreds of manual hours back. Audit prep measured in weeks instead of months. One live view of your risk posture, and a program that scales as frameworks pile on. Now, the tools. GRC automation software splits into 2 camps. Legacy enterprise suites, deep and customizable, but heavy. 6 to 12 month rollouts and consultants on retainer. And modern GRC automation platforms, integration first, continuous by default, live in weeks. For most SaaS teams, that's the fit. Pricing. Ballpark, in 2026, legacy suites start around $50,000 a year and climb well past $200,000 before implementation fees. Modern GRC automation platforms typically run $10,000 to $60,000 a year, priced on headcount, frameworks, and integrations. And ask what's excluded, audit fees usually are. Whatever GRC automation tool you shortlist, check 5 things. Deep integrations across your cloud stack. Multi-framework support with common controls. Evidence collected once, reused everywhere. True real-time monitoring, not daily syncs. Automated, audit-ready evidence. And real compliance experts behind the software. If continuous automated GRC sounds better than spreadsheet archaeology, that's what we build at Sprinto, across SOC 2, ISO 27001, GDPR, and 200 plus frameworks. Book a demo at sprinto.com, link in the description. See you in the next one.